Yes, this is what you can do with paper. I put a real hook in the back of it made out of a paper clip, and that's the tail hook. Now, on this wing system, there's a nylon bushing inside this chassis that allows this wing to sweep. Theoretically, it should never ever wear out. I used very tiny, I took toothpicks and I sanded them down to make the rocket set. Well, I don't know. I haven't studied this aircraft since it was started. Oh no, it has, Eddie. It has 35,000 pounds of thrust, I believe, and that might be per engine. Look it up for me if you would. F-14, and it might be only 17,000 per engine. I kind of hit that on the head, didn't I? Who is? Joy? Hi, Joy. Welcome to the show. Cheers, everyone. Welcome to the phone show. And thank you guys for sharing me with others and putting up likes. Well, welcome back. We're going to get you to quit, Grant. Yeah, that's for the thrusters on, or the jets on an F-14. I think the very first one I saw in the Philippines back in '73, I think those only had 17,000 pounds thrust per engine, but I don't remember now. That was a long time ago. Okay.